How to resize columns and rows in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Excel sheet. Okay, let me enter some data to show you proper. Okay, so we have Excel sheet and we have columns and row here. So there is a two method. First, you can make it manually. If you want to increase the size of columns, you can just simply hit the between the columns, any column which you want to increase and decrease, and make sure this double line visible to you. Then just click and hold and just drag left or right, and you can simply resize the column size. Okay, same as rows. Just select click just make sure your cursor between this between the cell number, and make sure this symbol visible to you. Just click on it and hold it and drag left right like this. Okay, and if you want to make same size, increase the same size to all cell, or if you want to make the multiple resize cell or columns, so rows and columns, then select the columns like this. Just select the first column. Okay, and just select the rest of column like this. Now right click on it, go to the resize columns and G. You can increase the size of column from here. Okay, so the all column will be converted in the same size. The all column size will be increased in the same size. You can see for cell also we have follow the same steps. Select the any cell or first cell. Now select the all cell like this. Right click on it, go to the resize rows and increase the row size. So the all row size will be increased as the same. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.